Hello guys, welcome to the World's YouTube channel. Hope everybody is well and healthy. Today we will learn about the top 10 chicken meat producing countries in the world, which I think will enrich our repository of knowledge. So let's start the video. The competition stage is moving at its own pace. Wow, at the end of the video, it is seen that United States is in the top position in chicken meat producing country. Really, it is a very good competition. And our goal is to always present the right information to you. Everyone will be healthy and stay with us by subscribing to the channel. And also everyone must comment on what they went video 1. We will try to present accurate information based on that comment. Bye.